Greetings to everyone. This is Nerus, aka Coach Nerus. So in this video, I want to show you guys how you can pay for your product. So the first thing you have to do is you need to go back to the group, and then you tap on the link that I sent in the group. This link. So you need to tap on this link. So when you tap on the link, it opens this web page showcasing the product. You can find all information about this product. You scroll down, you will find all information about this product. This is the digital entrepreneur, the owner of this product, Michael Ifani. Alright, so the next thing you have to do here is you need to tap on this buy now button. So when you tap on the buy now button, it adds to your cart. It adds to your cart. You need to tap on checkout. Then you check your contact information if it's correct. You check your name and your email address. So you check those if they are all correct. Then you go to buy now. Okay, so in this page, here's where you're going to do your payments in this page. So if you're paying with mobile money, you have to choose your network. You select MTN, or if you're paying with Express Union mobile money, you're going to select Express Union mobile or Orange mobile. You select anyone. So in this case, I will select MTN. You select MTN, and then here you enter your MTN number. You enter 2376, whatever your number is, you enter it here. This is how you enter it: 2376, your number. All right. For those who want to pay with using the card, here's what you do. If you check below, you are going to see change payment method. So you tap on change payment method, then you select card. So here now you can enter your card number, the validity date, and then the CVV number. After you've entered all the necessary information, then you tap on pay to get your product.